From commercial transport to long-haul logistics, the strength of every heavy-duty vehicle begins at its wheels. Today, we explore one of China's major producers of tubeless and forged alloy truck wheels, a company operating at massive industrial scale with a fully integrated manufacturing ecosystem. Better Holdings Group oversees a production area of more than 1.6 million square meters, powered by a workforce of around 1,200 specialists. Strategically located in Guanggrao County's economic development zone, the facility benefits from close access to highways, rail networks, ports, and airports, ensuring fast delivery across domestic and global markets. Across the group, multiple wheel brands are produced, each designed for different classes of commercial vehicles. Quality is certified through leading global standards such as ISO TS 16949, DOT, TUV, and Brazilian and Metro, ensuring their wheels meet stringent requirements for safety, reliability, and durability. Inside the plant, the scale of manufacturing becomes clear. 10 advanced CNC rim production lines sourced from the United States and 6 German-engineered disc production lines form the backbone of the process. These lines machine, roll, form, and finish each wheel with tight tolerances suitable for high-load applications. A highlight of the facility is the adoption of an ultra-modern WF spinning machine from Germany, capable of producing more than 300 different types of tubeless wheels, ranging from 17.5 to 24.5 inches in nominal diameter. This capability allows the manufacturer to supply a wide range of heavy trucks, medium-duty vehicles, buses, and specialty transport fleets around the world. Better Holdings Group is not a single factory, but a complete industrial network. Subsidiaries include heavy equipment manufacturers, aluminum wheel forging facilities, export and logistics companies, and multiple wheel-specific plants dedicated to stamping, spinning, machining, and finishing. Together, these units form a vertically integrated system that supports everything from raw material preparation to global distribution. With both domestic OEM partnerships and international clients, the company's wheels are shipped to markets across every continent. Their philosophy is built around continuous improvement, enhancing design, refining production techniques, and elevating quality through accumulated experience and technological innovation. From raw steel to high-precision alloy wheels ready for demanding road conditions, the manufacturing process reflects a commitment to performance and reliability. And in a world that depends on efficient, heavy-duty transport, the expertise behind these wheels keeps global supply chains moving. Advancing quality step by step, this manufacturer has built a fully integrated wheel production ecosystem. A fully automated cutting line from Taiwan processes 6,061 aluminum blanks in less than a minute. During heating, an intelligent PID temperature control system monitors and stabilizes the preheat curve in real time for perfect forming conditions. 3 large closed die forging presses then compress the material, refining the internal grain structure for higher strength, greater durability, and improved impact resistance. Rims are shaped on a German WF cold spinning machine, which forms the structure in one continuous process. Heat treatment further enhances the mechanical performance of each forged aluminum wheel. Across the plant, more than 40 high-precision CNC machining centers perform flexible finishing operations to achieve perfect roundness, balance, and uniformity. Automated cleaning and fine polishing lines refine every surface, while strict quality inspections check dimensions, appearance, and structural integrity at each stage. The result is a wheel that is lightweight, durable, and engineered for demanding road conditions. With global certifications including IATF 16949, DOT, TUV, and Inmetro, their products meet international standards and are trusted worldwide. At the AGO plant of UD Trucks in Saitama, Japan, welding isn't just a step in production. It's the backbone of building heavy-duty truck cabs with precision and strength. Panels formed in the stamping factory arrive here to be welded into complete cab structures, preparing them for painting and final assembly. The process begins after the stamping section has shaped the metal panels. On the welding line, automated robots and skilled operators work in sequence to join side panels, roof, floor, and sub-assemblies into a rigid cab body. Each station aligns components, secures them, then executes spot welds and seam welds with programmed accuracy. Fixture systems ensure the talking points of structural integrity are met with minimal distortion. As the welded cab moves down the line, pre-welded and post-weld inspection points check fit-up, weld quality, and dimensional accuracy. This ensures that when the cab is painted, trimmed, and assembled, everything fits perfectly. Behind this line lies the commitment of UD Trucks to manufacturing excellence, delivering reliable heavy-duty vehicles ready for demanding service. From stamped panels to a fully assembled heavy-duty truck, this is the vehicle assembly line at UD Trucks' AGO plant in Japan. On this line, the chassis, engine, and cab sub-assemblies come together in a seamless flow. Robots and skilled technicians align the frame, mount the powertrain, attach axles, and secure the cab before the truck moves to the next station. A key highlight is the frame reversing device, a unique mechanism that flips the chassis safely for easier access to lower side components, improving ergonomics and efficiency. As the truck advances, it passes through inspection zones where fit-up, torque values, and system integrity are verified. Only vehicles passing all criteria continue to final test drive or shipment. From massive construction sites to offshore platforms, Liebherr's mobile and crawler cranes deliver lifting performance that few can match. Manufactured in Germany and Austria, these cranes combine decades of engineering innovation with modern digital systems to set new standards in lifting capacity, flexibility, and safety. Their all-terrain mobile cranes traverse roads and job sites with ease, while the crawler cranes handle the world's heaviest loads, offering capacities up to thousands of tons. Today, you're seeing how industry, infrastructure, and energy sectors rely on Liebherr to move the unmovable. From stamping to final inspection, this is the production line inside Foton's truck manufacturing facility in China, where dozens of sub-assemblies come together at high speed. On the assembly line, chassis frames advance through automatic feeders, engines are installed, cabs are mounted, and wiring harnesses routed in a seamless, continuous workflow. With robots, conveyors, and lean stations aligned, the factory transforms raw components into finished commercial trucks ready for global export.